Alright guys, happy Saturday. Hope y'all can see us now. We gotta get out the sun. Yes, Nubian is ready, guys. She has all her stuff on for the Challenger Center. Y'all see my baby badge. Y'all see that Dr. Nubian Porter. Yeah, so we're at the Civic Center. It's 1 week boutique, guys. So they have like consignment inside. So we're headed in right now. Y'all see Nubian scrapped in because I have to have her scrap, y'all, because she will try to run away from me. So yeah, so we're waiting for Tina and Nairobi. They're on their way too, so we're gonna wait for a few seconds on them, but we're gonna go in and look inside for about an hour, and then once we leave here, we're gonna go to the Challenger Center. They're having like a little Earth Day thing that they're doing, and yeah, so we're gonna go and do Science Saturday. That's what we do every third Saturday. So if you're local here in Tally, yeah, go by the Challenger Center to watch a free movie with your kids and enjoy some wonderful crafts and everything. So alright guys, we'll see you first. Scan for everybody so you get a chance to see. It's all the top little toys, guys. They have lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of toys. And we're gonna be stuck in here, guys, because Nubian doesn't know how to leave toys. Nubian, what are you doing? She has a power wheel, guys, that she is afraid of. Where's Nairobi? Let me show you guys a couple things. This is so cute. Look at this, guys. This is $8 and it's so cute. I got like a lot of cute stuff. I'm coming back tomorrow when everything is half off, guys. I'm gonna show y'all what I got for Nubian, but I think I'm gonna put it back. Just because I think tomorrow I can score. This is $4. I might just still get it because it's not gonna be a discount tomorrow. We'll come back tomorrow when everything's half off. And then we have these two. They're cute. They're like $4, so we'll see. I told you guys the wrong thing. Today's the fourth Saturday, not the third Saturday. That's normally when we do our Science Saturday. But hey, they're having a eco day today, guys. So we're gonna go on over here and see yeah, what's cooking.
This is my second time touching this snake. This might be scary.
Ooh, let's see what we can get into, guys. Wow. What is this? This is tall timber.
Hello, how y'all doing?
How you doing? You mind being on our vlog?
Not at all.
All right. How you doing? Hi, Brian.
I'm Brian from Tall Timbers.
Okay.
And we're here teaching folks about some local wildlife that needs fire.
Oh.
Isn't that crazy? If you look behind you, you can see a picture of what a prescribed fire looks like in the woods.
Oh.
People are concerned. They're like, what's going on? There's fire in the woods.
Right.
But this is actually something that's been happening for tens of thousands of years.
Right.
And that all of these different animals have evolved with fire, so much so that now they need it to make the habitat that they need to survive. Woods that look like that.
Can I touch him?
You can touch it. Come on over.
Maybe you want to touch the turtle? Wow, good job, Nairobi.
Okay. And so one of the ways that you can tell that this is a tortoise, not a turtle, is when you look at its feet. We call them elephantine feet. So see how it's flat like an elephant's foot? All right.
He looks cute.
It's not flappers like a turtle that would live in the water.
Okay.
Right. And this guy doesn't eat any meat. He's fully a vegetarian, and it eats plants. And so one of the reasons why it needs fire is because after the fire, all of this fresh green growth comes up, and it's like, hey, free salad everywhere.
Nubi's
right?
like, can I hold the snake?
Oh, you can touch the snake.
Nubi, you can touch the snake. Go ahead and touch the snake. You can touch it.
This is a hog-nosed snake.
Touch him, Nubi.
Yeah, it's very
Good
soft.
job.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Wow.
If you look at his face, you can see why we call him a hog nose. He's got a little upturned nose.
So he's not poisonous?
This is actually a poisonous snake.
Oh, wow.
But guess what? It's called a rear fang snake. And so its fang is way in the back because it likes to eat toads.
Okay.
All right. And so one of its tricks is, if you were to catch a toad, one of the tricks a toad will do is blow itself up and go, so you can't swallow it. Well, this guy's got a fang in the back where you can pop the toad and swallow it.
Oh, wow.
Look at nature.
And its venom is like a bee sting.
Not like.
Oh, okay.
When you put him down.
He doesn't do I don't like to lose track of him too much. He's not a super fast snake.
Whoa.
So guess what?
He's so cute.
This guy, if you saw him in the wild, let me keep a hand on him here.
Be careful.
If you see him in the wild, they are known for never biting people.
Oh, okay.
And what they do is if you were to walk up and try to pick up a hognose snake, it would roll over, play dead, stick its tongue out, and poop all over itself.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that crazy?
Aww.
And so it wants to say, I can't get away from you, I'm not fast enough, but I'm going to make it so that you really don't want to try to eat me.
Oh, guys, when the shuttle comes back to Lake Alberta. Wow, that's so cool, guys. We're going on the shuttle, guys.
Where they mark them and then let them go into the wild again, and then you go back out and try to catch them again and see what you can learn.
Ah, I love it. Keep up with it, Nairobi. We can put it up.
Nairobi, you just did a project on butterflies. You want to read a brochure about it? Go
Wow.
ahead and grab it.
Nubian, we're going to get you a turtle and a rabbit. You love animals. That's so sweet, Nubian.
Other side. You want to hold that there for a while?
Oh, wow. That's so neat. I love it.
What is she filming that?
Oh,
For
this is her
YouTube.
This is her page, her vlog.
This is all the flowers and their names. The flowers that attract the butterflies on the other side.
Oh, I need to get some of those to put in my yard.
So right, because if you put these in
Yes.
your
Oh
yard,
my God, I'm
the
gonna do
butterflies
it. Can I get a
come.
pamphlet?
How many you need? How many you need?
I want one. I want one. Yeah.
We got us some real good information about some butterflies. and
Yes, we're gonna
plants
plant some
that bring the
plants.
butterflies.
Yes.
Oh, they got seeds over here.
Oh, thank you. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
It's not enough to have information about it.
OMG, thank you for my bag. I'm so excited.
On tomorrow as well out of Lake Lafayette.
Okay.
But our big thing we're trying to get everybody to do is to use their phone to take pictures of nature using iNaturalist. Cape Town, South Africa is in first place right now. And we have till midnight Monday night to catch up. So we're just saying just go out and take pictures like crazy.
Both hands here, y'all. Both hands. But you download this app. It's called iNaturalist, and I'm going to show it to you.
iNaturalist?
Both. Yes, it's this little green
Wow. You can hear the ocean. Be very careful with it, okay?
You know what this is? That's the skull of a big sea turtle.
Ooh.
The head bone of a sea turtle.
Oh, wow.
You could hold up.
Okay. Go ahead, Nubi.
stuff almost, like, you know.
Yep. This actually looks nice.
Heavy.
Aww. The stingray.
This is a horseshoe crab.
Oh, horseshoe crab. You look like, well, where the stingray? I always get them mixed up. Okay, I always get them mixed up. See, that's why I need science.
It's harmless.
See that starfish there, guys? I thought that was a stingray. There's a horse, well, that's a crab. That's a snail. I'm getting my education on, y'all. I forget stuff sometimes. Nubian's a dinosaur.
Did you see him go back in? Look, he went back in when you picked him up. Check it out. Pick him up again. This, pick it up. He's inside. Hold it over. See? He's in there.
Wow.
He's in.
Cool.
It's a sea snail. He's so sweet and adorable.
Ooh. Newbie, like this. Hold it like this and look under. Like that. See? The magnifying glass. You see it? Just like that, Newbie. Good job. Good job. Wow. But put it close where you can see like this, okay? Hold it like that, okay? Wow. Is that a spider?
There it is.
Look, Newbie, they found a little something in it.
Right there.
Wow. They definitely found one. Wow. You see that? Look, Newbie. Look, that's so cool.
No, we're going to look at this first. We're going to look at these later.
That was a wood light. Are you going to write in your note?
You do? See, those are organisms that live inside of the trees, all underneath.
Ooh, Nairobi, look at you, brave girl. Wow, look at you with your snake.
She has to come in the shade.
Come back in the shade, baby. Come back in the shade. Stay in the shade. He said stay in the shade with them, baby. Step in the shade with them. Don't let them get too hot.
I did not notice that right there.
Look at Nubian. Nubian checking it out too. Good job, Nubian. You're not afraid. Good job. Good job, ladies. Good job.
Nairobi, let me see Nairobi.
Good job, Nubian.
Nairobi, look at me.
I don't want to scare anybody.
Hold the snake up. Like that. Let me see you. Smile.
Nubian said ew or something.
Smile.
What you said, Nubian?
All right. There you go. You want to hold the alligator too?
Look how Nubian had that snake by the head. That's right, baby. Get him by the neck.
Okay.
Wow. Nubian, you want to put him on? Wow.
Be strong with him.
I'm gonna
Be
help
strong.
you hold him.
Be strong
Good
with him.
job, Nairobi. All right.
Okay, that's the great tree frog calling from that black box there.
Hold this out. There you go. Open your arms out. Open your arms out. Grab him like you were grabbing the other alligator at the other part. Hold him. Grab his arms. So he don't go anywhere. There you go. Let me see.
You got Nubian looking at him. Nubian, that's an old dinosaur. No, let me stop.
They are as old as those.
That's like a dinosaur, Nubian, but he's an alligator. You want to go say hi to him? Go say hi to him.
Love your jewelry.
Go say hi to the alligator. So cute. It's adorable.
You study science and math in school, and you grow up and be a biologist.
That's right.
Yeah, be careful. Don't flip him over. I don't like to be flipped
Hold
over.
your hand underneath.
Listen. Put your hand underneath and hold him. And don't let him scratch you with his
Keep your
claws.
fingers away from the head because they
No
can
fingers away
bite.
from
I
the
don't want
head.
anyone
Okay,
getting
hold him
hit.
just like
He'll
this.
snap you.
See?
Snap your finger.
See? Like
Good
this.
job.
Hold him like this on the side. See? You put that side and put your hands on this side and your hand on that side. No.
And
Put your hand on this
I
side.
find it's hard to believe this turtle that I'm holding right here, we're holding together, is over 60 years old.
Oh, wow. He's
So they can live
beautiful.
a very long time.
Wow.
Are they both the same kind of turtle?
They're both box turtles. This one is called a Gulf Coast box turtle. They get larger and they're found along the coast.
Okay.
That other one, the more colorful one, is called an Eastern box turtle.
Yeah, do it again. Face your fears 3
Head
times.
still.
Okay.
And I'll move the frog. How
Okay.
about that?
The snake. Good job, Newbie K. Look at you being a brave
Tell him
girl.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
He taught you a lot about the turtle.
That's right. We don't want you guys all squeamish about nature.
Another one?
Good job.
All kinds of stuff around here.
Woo.
Gotta find him. There we go.
He's in there somewhere. He's slippery too.
This one's not so slippery. This is a kind of a toad. It's called
She
a
loves
snake
snakes.
toad.
You love snakes, Newbie?
Beautiful eyes. Now he might jump if you.
Newbie, what's in the book? What's in the book? Turtles? Ooh, turtle? Is that a turtle? Wow, it's a reptiles and amphibian book.
Oh, you're gonna tong him out of there.
I know what kind of fishing Newbie doing.
That's like some chopsticks.
Exactly. You fishing, Newbie? You fishing like Granddaddy? Hi, Nairobi.
Hello.
We're waiting for our food. Where are we, Nubian? Are we at Sweet Peas? Yeah, we're at Sweet Peas, guys.
I'm going to take the number 2 off.
All right. I'm trying to see her food. We have rancheros. What do we have here, friend?
That is the yes, that's a BLT. Spicy BLT tofu with veganese and vegan cheese and hummus and dip. This is hummus and dip. There go beans and rice
and here are our rancheros.
for you. And Nairobi has this big, humongous breakfast burrito which has tofu and fresh veggies and cheese.
Yeah.
Beans and rice and
What is
way
this?
too much in here for her.
Yeah, it's good. You had that for 3 days.
4.
Oh yeah, we have our brownies too, guys. We have
Yes,
those
ooh, and
marinated.
take a look at mine.
That's like I think this is a classic, and then this is a
delicious
Rocky Road.
Rocky Road.
Yeah, Rocky Road.
Ugh.
And they're warm too. They're
Yes, they
really
are.
good.
I'm gonna eat fast just so I can hurry up and get it.
Yep, and I have some water. She has a chai tea right here.
And we're outside in the beautiful sunlight.
Yes, enjoying
Right.
the day.